Yeah, so it looks like if you use a non-genuine iPhone screen when repairing your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro Max, Apple's going to tell you about it. And we're going to talk about it in this video. Let the download begin. So if you're new here and you want to learn how to use and troubleshoot your devices, plus some other cool tech stuff, we can help. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you don't miss when we release some cool, helpful content. So it looks like Apple just released some support documents that indicate that if you take your iPhone 11 to a non-authorized repair shop and they use a non-authorized screen, you're going to get a warning on your iPhone saying that your screen is not a genuine one. So let's say your iPhone itself breaks, you take it to a dealer, they're not an authorized iPhone dealer, they're going to replace your screen. What you're going to get is a notification that displays on your screen that says your screen is not genuine. A notification is going to stay there for the first 4 days. After 4 days, the notification then disappears and it goes into your settings app, in your general settings and about the phone information. So this is just to let people know that the screen that you have on your iPhone is not authorized by Apple themselves. And what Apple's saying is that they're doing this to kind of make sure that they're tightening the screws on the repairs that are done to iPhones to make sure that you're getting the best material possible and you're getting the best service possible. Only a certified Apple technician who has taken the training from Apple can get the certified parts that are required to make sure that this particular message doesn't display when they troubleshoot or repair the screen on your iPhone. So there's actually a couple ways you can look at this. You can look at this as a good thing in the way that you're going to make sure that you're only getting the best materials. You're only getting a certified technician that knows exactly what you're doing to replace the screen on your phone, so you know it's going to be done correctly, and you're making sure that your phone is now still workable and resellable in the future because you're using Apple certified materials and technicians. And of course, you can always look at this on the negative side, is that this is going to undoubtedly be more expensive than if you were to take it to a non-authorized Apple technician or somebody that just fixes screens or replace screens on the side. And you can bet that these certified techs are going to pay extra to get the certification, and they're passing the savings or expenses on to the people that need their screens replaced. So it's going to actually probably cost you a little bit more to get your screen replaced by a certified technician. You're going to have to pay a little bit extra to make sure all those parts are certified by Apple. And if you're using a non-genuine Apple screen, that's definitely going to hurt the resale value of your iPhone later on. No doubt it's going to be harder to sell an iPhone with a non-genuine screen because that message, again, is going to stay in your iPhone, so they can easily check if your screen is genuine or not. And it's going to be harder to kind of sell your phone. Apple said that even if you use a non-genuine screen, the notifications won't affect your day-to-day use of the phone itself. It's simply just there to let everyone, I guess, know that you're just using a non-genuine Apple screen in the future. And it can only be for that resaleability later on if you want to trade your phone in or sell it to someone else. So my personal thoughts on it is again, it's a good thing and a bad thing. The first thing that's going to go for people who keep their phones longer than a year or 2 years is probably going to be the screen. If you drop it or you bump it, the screens can crack and it can break, and you probably end up spending a lot more money replacing it with an Apple certified screen versus just taking it to someone who knows how to replace the screens properly and has the right tools, but they're just not certified by Apple. So again, it's a good thing that you're getting these certified parts and your phone is good to go when you want to trade it in or you want to resell it, but it's a bad thing if you want to kind of save some money and you're going to have this red letter on your phone that says the screen is not authorized, even though it's working fine and it was replaced perfectly. It just doesn't use the Apple certified equipment. So if you're an iPhone user, let us know what your thoughts on this is in the comment section below this video. Do you believe Apple should be doing this, or should they just let anyone replace the screens as long as they have the capability and the knowledge to do so? Sound off in the comment section below this video. And if you want to learn a little bit more about iOS 13, go ahead and click on this video here. This video is something that YouTube believes you would enjoy watching. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you know when we release some cool, helpful content like this one. Until next time, guys. Peace.